Glass frogs are a fascinating group of amphibians known for their unique appearance and intriguing survival strategies. They are primarily found in Central and South America and belong to the family Centralenidae. Here's an extensive look at how glass frogs survive, covering their adaptations, behaviors, and ecological roles. 1. Physical adaptations. Transparent skin. 1. Purpose. Glass frogs are named for their translucent abdominal skin, which allows for the visibility of their internal organs. 1. This adaptation is thought to serve multiple purposes. Camouflage. The transparency helps them blend into their surroundings by breaking up their outline, making them less visible to predators. Thermoregulation. In some species, the transparency may help with heat dissipation. Coloration and patterns. 1. Dorsal coloration. On the back, glass frogs often have a green or brown coloration that mimics the leaves and vegetation of their rainforest habitat. 1. This helps them blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. 2. Countershading. The combination of dorsal camouflage and translucent ventral skin provides a form of countershading, which helps reduce visibility from both above and below. 2. Behavioral adaptations. Habitat choice. 1. Tree canopies and streamside. Glass frogs prefer moist environments near streams and rivers in tropical rainforests. 1. The high humidity is crucial for their skin, which needs to remain moist to facilitate respiration and prevent desiccation. 2. Microhabitats. They often choose specific microhabitats that provide shelter and protection, such as underside of leaves or moss-covered branches. Nocturnal activity. 1. Nighttime activity. Glass frogs are primarily nocturnal, which reduces the risk of predation by day-active animals. 1. Being active at night also helps them avoid the high temperatures of the day. Camouflage and freeze response. 1. Camouflage. When threatened, glass frogs can remain perfectly still, blending in with their surroundings. Their translucent skin further aids in this camouflage. Freezing. Some species can adopt a freeze response, remaining motionless to avoid detection by predators. 3. Reproductive strategies. Egg laying. 1. Egg deposition. Glass frogs lay their eggs on the underside of leaves or other vegetation above water. 1. This is crucial for protecting the eggs from aquatic predators and environmental hazards. 2. Parental care. After laying eggs, the female may stay nearby to guard them. 2. In some species, the male also plays a role in monitoring and protecting the eggs. Tadpole development. 1. Egg to tadpole transition. Once the eggs hatch, tadpoles drop into the water below where they continue their development. 1. This aquatic stage is essential for their growth and eventual metamorphosis into adult frogs. Parental protection. 1. Guarding eggs. Some species have elaborate strategies to ensure egg survival. 1. For example, the male may keep the eggs moist by periodically licking them or use his body to shield them from predators. 4. Diet and feeding. Feeding habits. 1. Insects and small invertebrates. Glass frogs are insectivorous, feeding primarily on small invertebrates such as ants, flies, and beetles. 1. Their diet is adapted to the abundance of these prey items in their rainforest habitat. 2. Foraging strategy. They use their long, sticky tongues to capture prey. 2. The transparent belly allows them to see the prey more easily while they are feeding. 5. Predator avoidance. Natural predators. 1. Predators. Glass frogs are preyed upon by various animals including birds, snakes, and larger amphibians. 2. Defensive strategies. Besides camouflage and freezing, glass frogs may also use their small size and agility to escape from predators. Chemical defenses. 1. Toxins. Some glass frog species produce toxins or have skin that secretes compounds deterring potential predators. 1. This chemical defense adds an extra layer of protection. 6. Ecological role. Ecosystem functions. 1. Insect population control. By feeding on insects and other invertebrates, glass frogs help regulate these populations, contributing to the balance of their ecosystem. 2. Bioindicators. Their presence and health can serve as indicators of the ecological well-being of their environment, particularly in the context of habitat degradation and climate change. 7. Conservation challenges. Habitat loss. 1. Deforestation. The destruction of tropical rainforests due to logging, agriculture, and urban development threatens glass frog populations. 2. Climate change. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can alter their habitat and food availability. Conservation efforts. 1. Protected areas. Establishing and maintaining protected areas can help preserve the habitats of glass frogs. 2. Research and monitoring. Ongoing research and monitoring are essential to understand their needs and adapt conservation strategies accordingly. Summary: glass frogs have evolved a suite of remarkable adaptations to survive in their complex rainforest environments. Their translucent skin aids in camouflage and may help in thermoregulation. They exhibit various behavioral strategies to avoid predators, including nocturnal activity and freezing. Their reproductive strategies involve laying eggs in safe locations and providing parental care. Glass frogs also play a crucial role in their ecosystems by controlling insect populations and serving as bioindicators of environmental health. However, they face significant conservation challenges from habitat loss and climate change, underscoring the need for continued conservation efforts.